Switch precautions and wiring. Switch control panel should be turned off before wiring. Do not twist the back part of the panel casually. Please note the position in the following section. Start interface wiring. There are blue wire, brown wire, yellow wire, gray wire, white wire, and pink wire. The wiring method is shown on page 57 of the manual. Follow the instructions to wire the corresponding interface. Blue wire off, brown wire automatic, red wire unidirectional, gray wire half open, white wire keep open, pink wire ground wire.